well, welcome to the video, and today we're going to do something really hot, which is to play with fire. We're going to play with fire in Midjourney, and so I've got a prompt already set up. I'm just going to paste it in here. So we're going to type in imagine, and we've got some permutations set up, so we're going to get a lot of different variations, and we can see which is best, and from there, we'll build out something that looks really cool. So first off, if we use the curly bracket, we can do burning, scorching, roaring, blazing, and then that will give us 4 different variations of those words, plus fire, flame, sparks, isolated, black background. And then we're going to creatively stylize it with the curly brackets again by 200, 400, 600, 800, and 1,000. And so let's see what happens here. So we're just going to hit go, and it's going to say, hey, do you want to do these 20 prompts? And the answer always is yes. So here we go. And we've launched it. And the great thing about this is that you can create a whole bunch of different designs and images in Midjourney really quickly. So here, you get 4 right off the bat. So 4 times 20, we're actually doing 80 different versions of fire. And as you can see, it's already started working. And it'll only take about a minute or 2 for it to work. What's really fun with this is that sometimes you get some really creative, really interesting things that you can play with. It looks like it's already getting us some really good stuff. Got a couple more to go. So let's take a look at some that have already finished up. So here's stylize 400 with burning. And that looks pretty cool. These would be a really, look at this one. Look at the little flames in here. So imagine you're trying to build out this image for something that you're building for a project, or a background or something. This is how you can get a lot of really cool images quickly. And we'll see where we are here. Has it finished? It's almost finished. So what I like to do when I do this type of thing is I will start just really at the top. And let's roll up here. Here you go. And I'll pick the best one out of each of the grid. And just based on visual, what I like about it, right? And I kind of like this one right up here. So we're going to hit upscale 2. And then we'll do the same thing with this one. Do you like any of these? Not really. What about this one? I like this one too. So far, the second grid has given us the best results. Oh, I kind of like the curly cues and going up on this one. Again, that's the number 2 one. Oh, I like 4. Here's one that's actually a bonfire. Look at that. That's kind of cool. We'll upscale that one. So anyway, we would do that for all these, and we would pick the ones that we like the best. Kind of like that. And the reason I do that is because what I want to do is go back and pick, and we can start playing around with some of these and dial in what we really like about some of these images and see if we can't get something that's just super fantastic. So here are the ones that I've upscaled. This one, this one, this one, this one, that one, the bonfire, and that one. So let's pick the bonfire. I kind of like that one the best out of everything. And what we can do is we can just hit very strong. And a neat trick is just to hit that like twice maybe, and that way you'll get 2 grids of 4. So we'll have 8 images based on this one. And here we go. So this was the first variation strong. Let's take a look. Kind of like this one in number 4 with the log in front with the flame behind it. And then let's look at this one. Look at this. This is really nice shape here. Let's go with that one. So in a couple moments, we've got a really good looking bonfire. I'll just blow this all the way up so you can check it out. That looks really great. I love the fires. I love the little sparks. I love everything about this. So if I was using this for some project, this could be a really great place to get that flame captured for something. And it was pretty easy. So thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the Midjourney newsletter, and we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.